Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can turn on Incognito Mode in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus on the 4 most popular web browsers from the Play Store. So we start from the Microsoft Edge. If you want to make a Incognito Mode here, just tap on the taskbar icon and switch to the In Private. Now just add a tab and that's it. The next one in Firefox. It's the simplest way, just tap on the Zero Mask here. It's done. Now the Opera. In the Opera, just click on the taskbar icon, choose to the private, and add a tab, like in the Microsoft Edge. And the last one, Google Chrome. Sorry about that. In the Google Chrome, just click here on this three-dot icon, or sometimes it's the arrow icon, and choose New Incognito tab. And now your history will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.